This video tutorial I will explain how to list all the collections in Mongo database using Java. Here you can see order database. It has three collections: payment, product and user. Using Java program, we will see how to get these collection names. Here you can see I have defined list of collection class. Now I am going to run this program in debug mode. Here I am getting Mongo client object using Mongo client constructor which accept host name and port number. Then I am calling get database method of Mongo client object and passing the database name as order. Here I am getting order database object. Then I am calling list collection names method of order database object and it returns a list of collection name. And in this for loop I am getting each collection name and displaying one by one. Here you can see we got three collection names which are there under the order database: product, payment and user. Product, payment and user. You can get Java source code link for each video from the description section of the video. And here you can see the video, and to see the description click on this more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links, and click on these links to get the Java source code.